Hey, gentlemen, and greetings from Casa de Perkins. This would be the main living space of my house where school takes place here, and where I guess we'll get to do some school maybe every now and then between you and me and all that stuff. And I'm sure that you're all itching to get back to reading, right? Just wanted to send you guys a quick message to say hi. Hopefully, you're all doing as well as can be, given all these situations and circumstances and whatnot. Just wanted to check in and let you see a friendly face. And everything's quiet in this house at the moment. There's a ballet class going on in the living room with my daughter, but the other ones are napping, which is wonderful. Sometimes you might catch this a little more chaotic, and that'll be okay. Because that's what life is right now. It's chaos, right? Um, but we're finding a way to live through the chaos, and I hope that you are too. So, um, Miss Kidd, Miss Ellis will be contacting you guys sometime this week just to see how you are, see what you're going to have available to you as far as school goes, what we can do for you. If you guys want to send me an email, send me a video message of yourself too, and we can exchange messages this way. That's great. That's fine. Who would have thought we would have been in this spot where we're missing each other in normal of school? Believe it or not, you're missing it too. I know you are. Um, so anyway, hope this finds you well and safe. And I will send you guys another message soon to let you know what I am thinking that English will look like for the rest of the year. Um, Holler, send me an email if you need something. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.